Hey, what's up? What's up? My kitchen just about done. So anyway, what I'm cooking today, what I'm making today, I'm making a chicken wings appetizer. It's very simple to make, only 3 ingredients. I'll show you guys my ingredient. Alright guys, here's my chicken wings here and my 3 ingredients. Garlic and pepper, seasoning, China lily soya sauce, barbecue chicken seasoning. That's all you need. So what we're going to do next, we are just going to add our seasoning to it. So our garlic and pepper seasoning is about 1 teaspoon. That's what you need. For our barbecue chicken seasoning, same, one tablespoon. Our soya sauce, it's about 2 tablespoons. Again, if you have a company, you want to make simple and easy appetizer, this would be it. Just make sure you can marinate this if you want. If you're not in a rush, just make all your ingredients to it. Leave it in the fridge half a day or a full day. And this time I'm just going to leave it for like half an hour and it should be okay. There we go, nice and mix. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to turn on our oven. If you're not in a rush, you can bake it slow, 375. But I don't have that much time. I'm going to bake it for 400. Right now I'm just warming up my oven. When the buzzer goes, we'll put our chicken wings appetizer. Alright guys, I'm just going to give it another mix with my chicken wings here before I put it in the oven. Go. And I'll put it with my cookie sheet here with I ran out with the parchment paper, so I used the foil. Doesn't really matter, it does the same thing. As you guys know, before, years ago, in this town, I used to have all my appetizers here in this town. Just about all the restaurant, I have all my appetizer here and some in Chilliwack, British Columbia. So I'd like to share it with you guys and how to make the appetizers. Now our oven is ready, 400 Fahrenheit. Let's put our chicken wings. And this should be ready after 30 minutes. Alright. Buzzer is off. That means 30 minutes is done. And here it is, chicken wings appetizer. Now we're going to check if this is cooked. What I do, I always check the biggest one of all, because if the biggest one is not cooked, this is the thickest. So it looks like it is done. And it's really... Alright guys, for my dipping, this is hot chili sauce, sweet chili sauce I mean. It's good for it. Other one, Caesar salad dressing. And that's it guys, our chicken wings appetizer is done.